Are you a weekend DIY mechanic? Do you do your own brake jobs or tire rotations? Well, I've got just the tool that might come in handy next time you're going to do that job. This is the Ryobi 3-speed P261 impact wrench. It's part of the 18-volt 1 Plus series, so the same battery that fits in your leaf blower or your edger works in your impact wrench. It boasts a powerful motor that features up to 300 pounds of torque. It also has 3 speeds, up to 2,000 revolutions per minute, 2,400 RPM, or 2,900 RPM. And the impact wrench features the rubberized comfort grip. It also features 3 LED to help brighten your work, to help you see the job in front of you. So the next time you're going to do a brake job, you just slap in your socket. It has a 1/2-inch drive. Slap in your socket, and you're good to go. It'll get that job done quicker. And in addition to removing lug nuts, it'll also raise that scissor jack quickly, because your scissor jack also uses the same size as your lug nuts. Not only in the car, but also around the house. You see, just recently I had to use an impact wrench to break free the rusted lawnmower blade. Impact wrench was just the thing I needed. Now, truth be told, the P261 doesn't have quite the torque that some of the big boys have, but for half the price, it serves me just fine. I'll have a link to the impact wrench as well as the socket set in the description. So are you looking for a tool that's actually going to come in handy and make better use of your time? Check out the Ryobi P261 impact wrench. You'll be glad you did. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.